Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to grow an avocado seed in water and grow your own tree. I've been doing it for a couple months now and it's been working really well. So first thing you do is grab your avocado and obviously cut it in half. And gently get that seed out. Now you want to wash that seed and make sure it's all clean. Now I've given the seed a nice clean, got all the avocado off and given it a dry. So if you have a look, they're sort of like an egg shape, so the point and then a fatter bottom. And this part is where the roots come out. So you want to make sure that that big point is down and the point is up when you put it in your jar. So to keep it in a jar in some water, you want to pop some toothpicks in. So I've just put 2 in either side to help it sit in. Some people put 3 in. It's up to you. I've seen other people peel off the skin, but I've always left mine on and it sort of just peels off as it grows. So just put in your toothpicks in either side and then pop it in a glass of water. You can put it in I put mine in glass jars, but you can just put it in a cup, a plastic cup if you want to, whatever you've got lying around. So this one I've just done recently and it's just starting to form a little crack here. I've probably had this one sitting in water for a good couple of weeks, so it's slow and steady. But you want to put the water where it's covering about half the seed. Leave the top bit dry and keep topping up and making sure that it's a little bit wet. This one has been growing for about a month, and as you can see, it's got some nice roots growing and it's going to hopefully crack soon all the way to the top and sprout out a tree. But it's doing really well, and as you can see, the brown stuff just peels off eventually. So that's a close up of the roots, so be really careful with these. They are very fragile. Now I've got one here that has been growing for probably 2 to 3 months, and it's got a fair big root system, and you can see it's grown into a very nice little tree. So I'm going to pop that one into a pot today. You can start potting them once they are about 6 inches high. So I think this is a good time to start potting. I've got a large pot and some good potting mix. I'm just going to pop some in the bottom. Up to where I think the root will need. That looks about right. So now I'm just going to start popping the soil around the seed. So you only want to cover half the seed and just lightly pack it down a little bit around it. Don't pack it in too tight like some plants. And that's it. We'll give it a bit of a water and make sure the soil stays moist, because it can get transplant shock, so we don't want to water it too much. Also, I recommend fertilizing it once every week with really good fertilizer. Avocados like really good drained soil, so make sure you get a good quality potting mix. Don't get the really cheap stuff. And hopefully it will grow. So I've just popped it on the windowsill with the others, really hoping it grows really well and I can eventually pop it outside. If you guys have been growing any, don't forget to pop some pictures below. I'd love to see them. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.